Hi, this is Sonya. This is a short video on shoulder bridge, just to show you how to do the movement and get it into your body. Let's start on your back. Knees bend, your feet are parallel and about hip distance apart. Take an inhale, prepare. On exhale, roll your pelvis back, then peel your spine off the floor one bone at a time. Take an inhale on top of your bridge. On exhale, you roll your spine down from the top. From your upper back, mid back, lower back, sacrum, and finally your tailbone, and then return back to your neutral spine. Take an inhale. On exhale, pelvic curl. Roll your pelvis up towards the ceiling. Ideally, your knees, hips, and ribs want to be in a one diagonal line on the top. Then roll your spine back down. You can do this 5 to 8 times and just keep practicing, get into your body. I hope you like this short video. I have more videos about shoulder bridge that are more detailed and challenging. Remember, you can subscribe to this channel and please like and share with others.